Good morning, guys. We are on a 2 days 1 night trip again, and this very first day we're going to do some turkey hunting. I gotta show you guys this. I found a turkey. Look at this one. Now I'm Martin 2.0. Martin 1.0. Martin 2.0. Martin!
So I was just explaining to Martin here. Oh wait, that's Fishing Chef. Turkeys have amazing eyesight. Like, they can see if you do this from like, I don't know, 200 yards away, they'll see it and they'll spook. So when they start coming in, we gotta be 100% like absolutely still.
They have set up the decoy with the fake turkeys out there, and then later we're gonna hide in this tree. And we gotta be super stealth, like what Kevin has said. They are very... Oh wait, Martin is over there. Look at his station. That's a cool little spot for Martin. Alright. We'll move. See. They might come out when we go. I saw them.
So yeah, remember when they start coming in, you can't move them. They're real close right now. Probably give me something to club it with, man, or a knife. There you go. So is this the wattle?
That's the wattle. They have a lot of blood vessels in those.
Oh.
And when they actually change color.
Oh my god, look at this.
Yep. Look at that. That's the gizzard.
Do you eat this?
Oh yeah. It's kind of tough, but that's the muscle they use to grind up seeds and stuff, right?
But don't you think? And then someone will cut that
Yeah. Yeah, we're just hanging out. Shot a turkey. And now Martin's calling one in. We're gonna try with the bow. Yeah.
Chilling.
Chilling.
Super chill.
Source of some kind of greens, and it was something that they could eat.
This is the chickweed, and there's Kevin was saying this. There is a fine line of hair that goes all the way up, and there should be one on one side and not two on two sides or more. But yeah, minus lettuce, chickweed, and we're gonna use this as part of the banh mi sandwich. or bomb me sandwich.
I was so surprised they stuck around, man.
Yeah, I thought they would have flew off. Time to dig in some ribs. After eating ribs, I'm gonna wash off my face. So we just got to the camping spot. It was a fun night, but we have to find a place to sleep and camp for tomorrow's event.
Dude, that is a mansion of a tent.
The three of us got situated. All has a tent. Everybody's in their own tent, and then I guess we're gonna call it a night now. Goodbye, and see you guys in the morning tomorrow. You guys want to say goodbye?
Good night, camera.
Good night, camera.
Good night, everybody.